In continuity to where we stopped, you look at this symbol. It's called the Okunije symbol. Okunije symbol is replicated here in the door. In any Azope symbol, these are different forms of Okunije symbol. Look at it here, the prototype. If you look at this very symbol here, it's still the Okunije symbol. So you see, whatever the Igbo have as a this thing in their art, it reflects in whatever they do because they have a meaning. The meaning of good journey. Okunije means what they are looking for in life. The essence of a good journey that you go for war, you come back safely. Not when you go, you die. Or you go for business, you come back with gains. Not when you go, you lose. So the essence of Ukunije means that whatever you do in life, it means you must succeed. So that's the symbol here. You can find it in the Obesi as part of what made the Obesi. Look at the UFO. Look at another symbol. Incidentally, this symbol is very, very interesting. You can find this symbol on our women, the body adornment daily. Some people call it daily design as if it's for aesthetics, but it's functional because this symbol is called the good luck symbol. Once you have this symbol on your forehead, you must have good luck in whatever you are doing. So the Igbo man exploit this symbol in making in their ritual in order to take care of their great expectation in life.